Does it make sense to install a solar panel system on your house here in Arizona? I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty, and today's question is, does it make sense to install solar on your home? Well, here in the Valley of the Sun, we get over 300 days a year of sunshine. So when you add that to the fact that you can fix your energy costs by investing in a solar plant right now, then it's a total no-brainer. So as the energy company is ratcheting up their rates year after year, by you investing in a solar system on your home, you're effectively fixing your costs so that you are pretty much impervious to whatever the local power company is doing. If you'd like more information about solar and about local real estate here in Phoenix and how they can go together to make the perfect match, I'd love to speak with you. I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty. Thanks for watching this video. See ya.